Hi students. First of all, I would like to welcome you all for the sixth semester. In this semester, I am going to teach you paper 6.1, that is trigonometry, fuzzy topology and fuzzy sets. Okay, now let me discuss some concepts on trigonometry. First one, De Moivre's theorem. De Moivre's theorem states that if n is any integer, maybe positive integer or negative integer or 0, then cos theta plus I sin theta to the power n equals cos n theta plus I sin n theta. This is De Moivre's theorem. Okay, note cos theta plus I sin theta to the power minus n. If the power is minus n, then we can write by using De Moivre's theorem cos of this one power minus n theta plus I sin of minus n theta. We know that cos of minus theta is cos theta. Same, cos of minus n theta is cos n theta. Plus I sin of minus n theta. We know that sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. Similarly, sin of minus n theta is minus I into sin n theta. Second point, cos theta minus I sin theta to the power n. Cos theta can be written as cos of minus theta minus I into sin theta can be written as plus I sin of minus theta whole power m. By using De Moivre's theorem, cos of n minus n into theta plus I sin of minus n into theta equals cos of minus n theta is cos n theta plus I sin of minus n theta is minus I sin n theta. Third one, cos theta minus I sin theta to the power minus n is cos of minus theta. Cos theta can be written as cos of minus theta minus I sin theta can be written as plus I sin of minus theta. This is power is minus n, cos of minus n into minus theta is cos n theta plus I sin minus n into minus theta is I sin n theta. Fourth one, 1 by cos theta plus I sin theta. This can be written as cos theta plus I sin theta to the power minus 1. Instead of minus n, we have minus 1. Cos of minus 1 into theta minus theta plus I sin minus 1 into theta minus theta. Cos of minus theta is cos theta plus I sin of minus theta is minus I sin theta. Caution. For the application of De Moivre's theorem, real part must be cos and imaginary part must be sin. Okay, if the real part is sin, imaginary part is cos, then we cannot apply De Moivre's theorem. And the angles of sine and cosine must be same. Here cos alpha plus I sin beta to the power n. Here we cannot apply De Moivre's theorem because alpha and beta are the different angles. To apply De Moivre's theorem, cos, cosine and sine, the angles of sine and cosine must be same. Cos theta plus I sin theta, this can be written as cis theta. Briefly, this can be written as cis theta. Example, if x plus 1 by x equals 2 cos theta, prove that x power n plus 1 by x power n equals 2 cos n theta. Okay, solution. Given, it is given that x plus 1 by x equals 2 cos theta. Take LCM x into x square plus 1, x into 2 cos theta, 2x cos theta, x square minus 2x cos theta plus 1 equals 0. 1 can be written as cos square theta plus sin square theta equals 0. X square minus 2x cos theta plus cos square theta equals, it goes to RHS minus sin square theta. This is of the form a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here a value x, b value cos theta. X minus cos theta whole square equals minus sin square theta. x minus cos theta equals square. Take square root on both sides, plus or minus square root of minus I sin square theta, plus or minus square root of minus 1 into square root of sin square theta. Square root of minus 1 is I. Square root of sin square theta is sin theta. X equals cos theta plus or minus I sin theta. Now consider x equals cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, consider x power n plus 1 by x power n. This can be written as x power n plus x power minus n. What is x? X is cos theta plus I sin theta plus cos theta plus I sin theta to the power minus n. Now apply De Moivre's theorem. This can be written as cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Here cos theta plus I sin n theta to the power minus n. This becomes cos n theta minus I sin n theta. See here, I sin n theta minus I sin n theta get cancelled. Cos n theta plus cos n theta is 2 cos n theta. This is x power n plus 1 by x power n. Okay, similarly, x power n minus 1 by x power n, we get 2I sin n theta. Okay, next, application of De Moivre's theorem. Let z equals cos theta plus I sin theta, then z plus 1 by z equals 2 cos theta. Just now we have proved. And x power n, z power n plus 1 by z power n equals 2 cos n theta. Z minus 1 by z equals 2I sin theta, and z power n minus 1 by z power n equals 2I sin n theta. Now express cos n theta in series of powers of cos theta and sin theta, and sin n theta in a series of powers of cos theta and sin theta. Solution. We know that cos n theta plus I sin n theta equals cos theta plus I sin theta to the power n. This is by using De Moivre's theorem. Now by using binomial theorem, expand the RHS. LHS is same, cos n theta plus I sin n theta. This is of the form a plus b whole power n. That is nc0 cos n theta plus nc1 cos n minus 1 theta into I sin theta plus nc2 cos power n minus 2 into theta I sin theta square plus nc3 cos power n minus 3 theta into I sin theta cube plus, and so on. Last term ncn I sin theta power n. Okay, we know that nc0 value is 1. So 1 into cos power n theta is cos n theta plus nc1 cos n minus 1 theta I sin theta. Next term, here we have I square sin square theta. I square value minus 1. So minus nc2 cos n minus 2 theta sin square theta. Next, nc3 I cube value minus I. Minus I nc3 cos power n minus 3 theta sin cube theta, and so on, and cn I sin theta whole power n. Now separate the real and imaginary parts, equating the real and imaginary parts. This is cos n theta, real part, sin n theta, I sin n theta. The terms which have I, all are imaginary terms. Cos n theta is cos power n theta minus nc2 cos power n minus 1 theta sin square theta plus nc4 cos power n minus 4 theta sin power 4 theta, and so on. Imaginary part, sin n theta equals nc1 cos power n minus 1 theta sin theta minus nc cube cos power n minus 3 theta sin cube theta plus, and so on. Example, express cos power 7 theta in cosine multiples of theta. Okay, first take let z equals cos theta plus I sin theta. 1 by z, inverse of this one is cos theta minus I sin theta. Adding these two, cos theta plus cos theta, 2 cos theta, z plus 1 by z. Raising the powers by 7 on both sides, because here we have to express cos power 7 theta. 2 cos theta to the power 7, z plus 1 by z to the power 7. 2 cos theta power 7. Again apply binomial theorem. This becomes 7 c0 z power 7 plus 7 c1 z power 6 into 1 by z plus 7 c2 z power 5 into 1 by z square plus 7 c3 z power 4 1 by z cube plus 7 c4 z cube 1 by z power 4 plus 7 c5 z square 1 by z power 5 plus 7 c6 z 1 by z power 6 plus 7 c7 1 by z power 7. We know that this is of the form NC0, NCR. NCR formula is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. By using this formula, we can calculate 7C0, 7C1, 7C2, 7C3 and so on, 7C7. Okay, 7C0 value 1, Z7, 7C1 is 7, Z6 by Z, Z power 5, 7C2 value 21, Z power 5 by Z square is Z cube, 7C3 Z power 4 by Z cube is 35Z, 7C4 Z power 3 1 by Z power 4 is again 35 1 by Z, 7C5 value 21, Z square Z5 is 1 by Z cube, 7C6 value 7, Z by Z power 6 is Z power 5 plus 7C7 value 1 by Z power 7. Okay, Z power 7 plus 1 by Z power 7 plus 7 Z power 5, the term which has Z power 5 is 1 by Z power 5. Take 7 common, right? Z power 5 plus 1 by Z power 5. Again 21 is common in these two terms, right? 21 Z power 3 plus 1 by Z power 3. In these two terms 35 is common, plus 35 Z plus 1 by Z. Okay, LHS 2 cos theta power 7. Okay, this can be written as 2 cos 7 theta plus 7. This is 2 cos 5 theta plus 21. This is 2 cos 3 theta plus 35, 2 cos 1 theta, that is theta. In all these terms 2 is common. 2 is write 2 outside, cos 7 theta plus 7 cos 5 theta plus 21 cos 3 theta plus 35 cos theta. This is 2 power 7 cos 7 theta. Cos power 7 theta equals 2 divided by 2 power 7, that is 1 by 64. Cos theta plus 7 cos theta plus 21 cos 3 theta plus 35 cos theta. This is cos 7 theta in cosine multiples of theta. Similarly, we solve one more example. Express cos power 5 theta in cosine multiples of theta. Same. Take z equals cos theta plus I sin theta. 1 by z is cos theta minus I sin theta. Adding these two, cos theta plus cos theta, 2 cos theta, z plus 1 by z. Raising the powers by 5 on both sides. 2 power 5 cos power 5 theta. Expand this by using binomial theorem. 5c0 z power 5, 5c1 z power 4 1 by z, 5c2 z cube 1 by z square, 5c3 z square 1 by z cube plus 5c4 z into 1 by z power 4 plus 5c5 1 by z power 5. Here we have to calculate the values of 5c0, 5c1, 5c2 and so on. We know that NCR equals n factorial by r factorial n minus r factorial. 5c0, this is n, 5, 0 is r, 5 factorial, 0 factorial, 5 minus 0 factorial. 5 factorial, 0 factorial value 1, 5 minus 0 is 5 factorial, these two get cancelled, the value is 1. 5c1, 5 factorial, 1 factorial, 5 minus 1 factorial equals 5 factorial, 1 factorial value 1, 5 minus 1, 4 factorial. 5 into 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial. These two cancel, 5. Similarly, we get 5c2 value 10, 5c3 10, 5c4 5, 5c5 1. 2 power 5 cos power 5 theta, z power 5, 5z cube, 10z, 10 plus 10 into 1 by z plus 5 1 by z cube plus 1 by z power 5. Take z power 5 plus 1 by z5 in the bracket like this, plus 5 is common, z cube plus 1 by z cube, 10 is common, 10 into z plus 1 by z. We know that z power 5 plus 1 by z power 5 can be written as 2 cos 5 theta plus 5. This is 2 cos 3 theta plus 10. This is 2 cos theta. Take 2 common. Cos 5 theta plus 5 cos 3 theta plus 10 cos theta. Here we have 2 power 5. Here we have 2. 2 divided by 2 power 5 is 1 by 2 power 4. That is 1 by 2 power 4 value 16. Cos power 5 theta equals 1 by 16 cos 5 theta plus 5 cos 3 theta plus 10 cos theta.